and welcome to the luxurious surrounds that is the cockpit of my 1988 Holden VL Commodore Bellina station wagon. I want to take you with me today because I've had an idea for another video similar to the Merlin video, but I need to take you down to the yard. It's where I do the work on the buses, where I keep them and stuff, and I've got to take you down here to show you what I mean and what the stuff is going to be in this Steve's Stuff video. This is the stuff I'm talking about. You've seen this empty space before, but I wanted to go into a bit more detail. So up until about a week and a half ago, there was a big bus park here. It was Sydney Leyland Atlantean number 1128, the 128th ever built, and I recently sold it. I didn't want to, but as you can probably see, space is in short supply here, so I had to move her on to make room for the new project, which is arriving soon. So in this video, I thought I'd show you the journey from Adelaide, where we rescued her from life as a party bus, back to Sydney for restoration, and back to how she looked in service in the 70s when she plied the streets of Sydney. After she was taken out of service, she was sold to Ferns of Wagga and spent some years as a school bus looking like this. They painted her in their own blue, which I would later grow to hate. Then moved on to a new owner in Adelaide who put her to work as a party bus. More paint was applied, then removed, and then these ads in Afrikaans because she appeared in a movie with Daniel Radcliffe called Escape from Pretoria. She was then listed for sale, and through a strange sequence of events, I became her owner. So here's some footage of the rescue trip from Adelaide. And at dusk on the third day, she made her triumphant return back to her hometown. After 3 days on the road from Adelaide, we arrived at the outskirts of Sydney. It was a fun trip, it was a long trip, and she didn't give us any trouble at all. And so began the journey of taking her from an Adelaide party bus to this. This is what she looked like in the 70s. These photos thanks to John Ward. I've got a photo montage now. Sit back and relax and enjoy how we did it.
And there it is, the journey of Sydney Atlantean 1128, all the way from Adelaide back to her hometown of Sydney, back into her proper Sydney livery, even with some period correct advertising on her. Doesn't she look stunning? Especially with these lights. I love this. I'm really proud of this. She often got asked to participate in Sydney Bus Museum events, and this was the Deckers in the Night event last year, and it was at the same time as the big Sydney event called Vivid, which is all about lights. So I thought I'll do these LEDs around the perimeter. It took me ages to work out how to do it and then to put them on, but it absolutely turned out stunning. She is a stunner. I'm sad to have sold her, but I have a new project on the way and there are videos coming. Can't wait to show you.
There you go. Hopefully you enjoyed that and you'll like and subscribe and ring the bell, all those YouTube things that we have to say. That way you'll know when the next video's landed, and hopefully you won't have to wait too long for the next one, because as you can probably see, those in the know will know, this is the cab of the Merlin. Sorry it's a bit messy right now. I had to take a lot of stuff out of the double-decker when they came and picked it up the other day, so I'm storing some things in this bus. I've got to come up with a better storage solution. I'll do that soon. But there's an issue with part of the flooring. Some of the glue has failed. We've had a very hot summer, and I think the direct sunlight hitting it while I was away over Christmas break has caused a little bit of the glue to fail, so I want to try and fix that. I'll get to that over the weekend and we'll make a video out of it. So until then, thank you again for watching. Hope you're enjoying my channel, and I will see you soon for more of Steve's stuff.